How to get a refund from Calm app after billing error. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your calm.com, or you can use the application, and then from there what you're going to do is check if it was billed via your Apple Pay, your Google Pay, or your calm.com. Then after checking that out, you can actually visit the calm.com like I said, or you can get into the application, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from there, if you simply tap on the menu bar right here, you'll actually be able to get into their support option. If you are logged into your account, you can simply tap on support and get to their contact, right? And then from there, when you contact them, you can actually submit a request on their billing and then provide the purchase receipt and request refund. After doing that, within 5 to 10 business days, if your refund is approved or if it is eligible, then you'll be getting your refund back to your original payment method. So yeah, that's exactly how you'll be able to get a refund from a Calm app after billing error.